In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Office products keep getting an error in your Microsoft Store. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to check for pending updates. How we can do that? At the start, navigate here, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Once you have opened the settings window, I want you to navigate to the left pane. Please click for Windows Update. And from that, please click for check for updates or resume updates. Click on it. And after this, I want you to check if the error has been resolved. And if not, then you need to open the settings again. And this time, navigate here at the search bar being placed at the left side and type for Windows Store. Then the moment you have find this fix problems with Windows Store, click on it and then click on next so that you can fix the problem if the Windows Store apps is not working right. Okay? So check if the error has been fixed. Okay? And if not, then you need to proceed to the next solution. Navigate to your system. And at the system, I want you to find the troubleshooter for Microsoft. So please select for Microsoft. And if you have a Windows Store app troubleshooter here, I want you to run that one. Okay? And then click on it. Okay? And you can also navigate here at the search box, type for store. Then go with the Microsoft Store, make a right click, and click on App Settings. And then from here, please scroll down and click for Repair and Reset. Okay? So wait until this process would be finished, and once you are done with this, restart the PC and your problem will be fixed. Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.